Hey Nash, what should we make?
Let's make something comfort foody and delicious, yet cheap and easy. How about a beef noodle casserole?
All right, let's make a cheap, easy beef noodle casserole. Welcome back to Chaos Kitchen, where we have to cook stuff for y'all, but sometimes we don't feel like putting in a lot of effort. So today we are going to make a beef noodle casserole. It's gonna be similar to like a stroganoff and taste probably just as delicious. Who knows, maybe more. So hey, without further ado, let's go. And we start by dicing an onion and a bell pepper. You can use any bell pepper you want. You wanna use green, go for it. Personally, not a fan, so I went with red. You do you, boo. Then bring about 4 quarts of salted water up to a boil, and then we throw in 12 ounces of egg noodles. I'm using these guys. I don't think it matters, but I like the extra broad or extra wide or whatever. Whatever, just put in some egg noodles. I'm sure whatever you use will be fine. Then we want to cook these to a minute shy of al dente. So my noodles say 8 to 10 minutes, telling me that 8 would be like al dente. So I'm gonna do 7 because we're gonna bake these after we cook them. So we don't want them to be too soft and mushy and fall apart and all that good stuff. Once your noodles are done, kill the heat and drain your noodles. Then in a pan on medium heat, we throw in 2 tablespoons of butter, let that melt. At this point, go ahead and preheat your oven to 375. And then we go ahead and throw in our peppers and our onions, get those mixed up, get those cooking. And then we just let that go for a few minutes. Once your veggies have softened, go ahead and throw in a few cloves of minced garlic, stir that in. Then we add a pound of ground beef, get that broken up, get everything incorporated, get everything mixed in. Then we hit that with a little salt, pepper, and garlic. And then we just let that cook. Once your beef is cooked all the way through, go ahead and remove any excess grease. Then we add a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, salt and pepper to taste, 1 can of diced tomatoes, undrained, and 1 cup of tomato sauce. Let me get that all stirred in. Then we want to lower the heat and just let this simmer for probably 5 to 7 minutes. We're gonna add in 1 block or 8 ounces of cream cheese, half a cup of heavy cream, and about a half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. And then we stir that in until our cream cheese is all melted. I guess both your cheeses. Then at this point, we add in our noodles. Then we just sort of fold, toss everything together until it's all mixed and your noodles are covered. Then we take this guy off of here. Then we take out a greased casserole dish, and we dump our strangely pink mixture into that. Not bad. Let me just kind of even this guy out. Top that with 2 cups of grated mozzarella. And then we bake this at 375 uncovered for 20 to 25 minutes until your cheese is all melted and bubbly. And here we have our guy, hot and fresh out the oven.
Hot and fresh out the kitchen.
But it's molten lava hot, so we're gonna let it cool. And here we go, our guy is all ready to serve. So we're gonna go ahead and take a little bit of this, take a slice, take a piece. I don't know what the wordage is. Is wordage even a word? There we go. Oh yeah, look at that. And there we go. That's what we got. Look at that, looks nice. And there we have our super easy, super quick beef noodle casserole. And it's time for a bite. Cheers. It's freaking delicious. It's pretty easy to make. It's super cheap to make. For well under 20 bucks, it's a good 8 servings, a good solid 8 servings. It's hearty, it's rich, and it's nostalgically delicious. Out of 10. That's what I think, but hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing?
I'm good. Been on the lookout for those aliens coming back. This time I'll be ready though.
Well, check it out. We got this beef noodle casserole that you wanted. And of course we made a dog-friendly version just for you. Well, here you go. What do you think?
Oh, that's good. Cheap and easy. Rich, nostalgic, delicious comfort food.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
Attitude is a choice. Happiness is a choice. Optimism is a choice. Kindness is a choice. Giving is a choice. Respect is a choice. Whatever choice you make makes you. Choose wisely.
Nash approves, I approve. Look, it's a great dish. Go make it. And hey, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you all. Love you all. If you got a second, go ahead and subscribe, like, share, comment, hype, all that good stuff. Hit the bell for notifications. If there's anything you want me to make, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments. And hey, if you like this video, here's some other easy videos that we have. So click on that. And hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, be good and peace.